Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Like this video and don't forget to share with your friends. Before diving into today's emotional story, once again a storm in the famous news world. Barış Baktaş broke away thanks to the heartfelt words he said to Yağmur Yüksel. With his unforgettable chemistry in the Blood Flowers series, he fascinated the masses. Duo. It has now become the center of a deeply emotional saga that takes place outside the screen. Barış took the stage at a special art event last night and he called out to the crowd with his trembling voice, "You are the only woman who can truly be loved, Rain. But sometimes life is not enough to hold on to those you love." The room became silent and the air became heavy with emotion. His eyes were filled with tears. It was as if he had finally expressed something that had been a burden on him for years. Or was he saying goodbye once and for all? His emotional statement came at a time when rumors of tension were turning with his wife Yağmur Baktaş. After Barış did not support Yağmur during her recent medical emergency, cracks began to form in their marriages. He has strong feelings for Yağmur but has backed down due to his obligations and public image. Yağmur Yüksel, on the other hand, chose the silence. If someone remains silent even though he knows he is loved, he is either hurt or very hurt. This is despite the fact that fans are deeply impressed by Rain. It led him to believe that he could bear the emotional wounds caused by Barış's choices, especially his marriage to Yağmur. Can the passionate words of peace heal old wounds, or have things gone too far? On the side of Yağmur Baktaş, it was reported that the reaction was anger and betrayal. Sources said that Yağmur Baktaş was angry because of the emotional displays of Barış and even she says she has taken symbolic steps, such as removing her wedding ring and deleting family photos from social media. Although no official divorce has been confirmed, the signs point to a breaking point. Meanwhile, Barış is notably absent from public events. Describes him as distant and pensive. He is constantly checking his phone and staring blankly. He thinks he is preparing to make a big decision, reconnecting with Rain or finally getting away from the love that still exists in your heart. The internet is buzzing with fan reactions. The #Bar Patrol hashtag is trending again and fans are passionately asking for the duo to reconcile. A widely shared post reads, Barış confessed. Now it's Rain's turn. Some love stories deserve a second chance. So the question is, will the Rain answer? Or is he just gathering strength to speak from his heart? Barış Baktaş's statement may have started with a but, But maybe that word won't signal an end. Maybe, just maybe, it marks the beginning of something real. Something worth fighting for. We will be watching closely the unfolding of this story.